Hello, alright, welcome. We're going to do a full-length start to finish tutorial so you can see the entire process start to finish. And today's lesson is going to be on waves, beach waves, alright? And we're going to start off here with a 9x12 paper. This is using, it's by Clairefontaine, it's 9x12 pastel paper, kind of mixed media probably paper. Work. This is a neo pastel, it's more of a cobalt blue. And let's put this more at the top here and see how that works. So I'm going to kind of move up here, and the middle section is going to be where my wave is at. So I'm kind of eyeballing that over to my right, looking at that reference photo. But somewhere in there is the rest of that water up in the top section like that. Okay, not too much time. Alright, so we're just kind of spreading that out. Don't really care if the colors mixed in with each other. I'm just really focused on just covering up the paper and getting a base layer going. Okay, and I can tell this is a Van Gogh because it's stiffer. Color doesn't spread as nice, and it takes a little bit more pressure, a little bit more work to do this with my fingers here. It seems to be a little bit deeper, and I'm going to put that in there and just kind of look and see what that feels like. Okay, but for right now we'll just do this blue and that Prussian blue, kind of very loosely with it. Right, and then always the texture in the back is always going to be blurred up a little bit, softened out. Okay. It kind of transitions out of that into something like this. Okay, and again, push that around. Okay, you can use the texture of the paper to kind of get you that help with that look. Right, and follow that top here all the way across there. In certain parts it feels like it's... Now you could go all the way, I've seen that, where you kind of move those up into it. Alright, same light that I used here, I'm using back here. Just this light gray neo pastel. And get that a sense of that water kind of surface sparkle from the sun hitting it. Where that brightness is. This really kind of changes the game. It was good before, but now we're going to really add in the brights. Alright, just kind of bring this up to date. So I did make a little bit of a corrections here after seeing it with some fresh eyes. Mostly what I did is right in this section where the wave is starting to curl up, I just kind of signed it there. And now I feel that it's done and complete, so I just wanted to give you that update. Oftentimes what I'll do is I'll stop, and then kind of the next day I'll look at it again and I'll kind of adjust things. And these are just really slight adjustments just to kind of finalize everything. But now I feel like it's really working, and so I just wanted to give you that update and again show you the painting again. So it's nice to look at it from different angles, see how it looks, and you get some up close texture. You can